Welcome once again. I am so excited to say that this is the second video that you guys are seeing right now. Muchas gracias a toda la gente que me está viendo. Amo mucho. This is going to be my second unboxing with Boxy Charm. So the first little thing that I'm super stoked that I got is this right here. So these are a pack of brushes. So I have a foundation brush, a eyeshadow blending brush, and then a little precision crease one. So I'm super stoked. I'm gonna bust a really cool look today with them. Okay, so the second thing I got is actually a gel liner in the color Deep Taupe. And it looks like really creamy. So I don't know if you can see that. Third thing I got was the A La Mar lipstick in the color Mother of Pearl, Gloss Corazon. Also, I'm super excited because I got this. These really nice little like colors right there. And I'm going to be trying everything out. Like I said, I'm going to do a really cool little look today. So I got this little face mask right here. The LMS face mask, which is super cool because it's a superfood vital veggie mask. That was my box. I'm going to do, let me see, we're just gonna like vibe it out. Let's see what type of look we should do. Okay, first I got to blend my face out. I got to take everything off, okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so here I am back looking like the Crypt Keeper. Bare face as per usual. And what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to do this one first because my skin has been a little need of some TLC. I'm actually going to use what was in last week's box, this beautiful eyeshadow palette, right? I'm going to use the actual mirror first though, because oh my god, these little hairs. I want you guys to know also it's like 10:30 p.m. right now. And the birds outside are chirping. Don't understand why. Don't understand why. Oh my. Let's see, I think that's too much. Totally need more. Just pouring it on. Honestly, I think I just put too much. Yes. This bad boy on for 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna get some taquitos. So it's been 10 minutes. So yo ya me voy a quitar esto. I'm going to take this off. We are officially clean. Okay, I was a little hungry, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna be a mukbang with taquitos en crema with guacamole. Look at that, look at that. Oh. Okay, so my taquitos are here, my little taquitos. My jugo. My skin actually feels really soft, like really soft. Put my little primer on. I just want to give a little moment right now to shout out all the incredible people that commented on my last video and stuff like that. Like, I appreciate you. Bite my taquito. Cover that zit there, planet. Put a little bit of concealer. I've been good. I've been really good with everything in life right now. Really blessed. I have a lot of people right now around me that I'm really happy for. And yeah, I've just been living my best self right now. I'm gonna do this next step, which is my foundation. I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit on, you know. I don't have to use my fingers anymore. Oh, I forgot. Thanks to Boxy Charm, I don't have to use my fingers anymore. I'm getting it on my hair. I'm getting it everywhere. These are awesome. I just got bangs. So I am on the struggle bus with these bangs because one day I like them, the next it is too hot and it feels like Miami's on my forehead. Like Miami in a really hot summer day. And right now, if you're just watching this, kind of like feeling me out for the first time, hello, welcome to this shit show. If you never know what look to go for, just throw everything you have on a table, on a chair, whatever, and then just let the, you know, let the makeup guide you. Just kind of get my base and stuff like that. So let's see. I'm gonna start with my James Charles yellow and just kind of see where this goes. Okay. We are on the struggle bus together, queens. We're on the struggle bus together. Oh, I'm also using one of their brushes, okay? So one of the brushes that came with Boxycharm, which is a precision crease. I don't know if I'm using this correctly. Don't hate me if I'm not. Work in progress. So now I'm gonna do a nice little orange from my James Charles palette as well. I'm just gonna start like kind of adding right there, a little bit of color. So I'm gonna go in with the Butter London. Give myself a nice little like touch of blue. That's like super pigmented, by the way. And we just wanna lightly, you know, we're not gonna get too crazy with the creases and like cry. I'm not gonna cry just yet. I'm gonna put a little bit of Diva from Butter London and see where that goes. And I'm just gonna put it right on that little. I'm also doing everything randomly right now. So I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Like absolutely no idea. Really, truly, honestly. I'm also gonna put a little bit right here because I feel like that looks right. I'm gonna kind of just continue that right over here. Once again, I am not a makeup artist. This is the grace of God right now happening before your eyes. I probably should have done my concealer and my foundation afterwards. Yeah, I definitely just learned that. I should have done that before. Now I'm gonna go underneath. Since I kind of did like that like nice little color on top, I kind of want to go with this little, the Temptress right there. Give myself that nice little brown underneath. Hit right here. I'm gonna go in with the Appeal Gel Liner. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna do the exact same thing onto this side. Hopefully when I do this, again, we'll be in the next page.
7 hours later.
I use my Alamar. This one came in a few boxes back. I'm gonna go in with my Age Rewind to kind of get underneath my eyes. I actually like this a lot. I use this one when I have like fallout and stuff like that, when I don't really need the thickest coverage. Just need kind of like a medium, like a nice little light to medium. You can build on it. So I'm just gonna go like this, just kind of dab myself a little bit. We'll use it as a little highlight and stuff. I'm gonna get my damp beauty blender and just kind of, you know, blend that out. I don't have contour kit, so I'm just gonna lightly highlight what I want to be highlighted. I'm gonna do my Huda Beauty again. I love, this is like my favorite. This is legit my favorite lipstick ever. I got this in a care package, in a little goodie bag actually. Like legit. Who needs lip fillers when you have makeup to make it seem like you do? Well, I mean, I guess you can do it to make it look better. Let's like, let these bangs loose. These girls play. Look at this. This is like 80s mom. I also forgot, really quick, to gloss me up. So I'm gonna put some of that gloss. Girl. Oh my god. I really like that gloss. I'm normally not a glossy girl. I don't like to do glosses a lot of the time. I think I look like... This is like really nice actually. These two look really good. So this is the A la Mar. This is the Corazon. This is the one that came in the box, which I'm super stoked about. Oh, that's nice. But let's fix all of this, okay? So.
And when they see me, they wanna be me. I am the fantasy. Cover girl, put the bass in your...
Thank you so much for watching this far. I am so excited. This was a completely random look that I just came up with. We just came up with this together. If you have any sort of like video suggestions, anything like that, feel free to message me. Link it below, comment, like, subscribe, share, do the entire spiel. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you have an incredibly blessed and incredible day. You are valued, loved for, and cared for, and so incredibly, deeply appreciated. Thank you so much to Boxy Charm for this incredible box. I love my new little look. I love my gloss. This is, I think, this was the absolute hitter for me. If there's anything that made it to my, I would have never thought I would have loved list, it's this. So, A la Mar, you are killing it. I loved your blushes. I loved this little lip gloss, Corazon. And I hope you guys have an incredible day. Thank you so much once again. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Oh, and I have a guest appearance. From my babies to your babies. Thank you so much. You were all asleep. They're all from the same mother and father. Isn't that crazy? They look so different. So, from my babies to yours, babies, I hope you have a wonderful lifetime of joy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright?